Now, down, 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 never had better. She knows she's been soaked, never been wetter. Highlight put your face in. Shot after shot, she wasted.
Hey.
Hey. You streaming, nigga, you streaming.
You just so like everything, like your nails, your smile, just. How old are you? I feel like I should get your Instagram or your number. Like, take things further than monkey. Feel me?
Right. How many Instagrams you got tonight?
0. I just got on monkey. It's my first time ever.
I don't believe that.
Just go ahead, slide that. Chat.
Yeah, I just heard you say chat.
No, I said slide it in the chat.
Who?
Slide
Who
it
you
in
raise
the
your
chat.
voice with?
You. I gotta be somewhere right now.
You gotta be somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the next person, so you can put them on your stream. We already saw the chat. I can see it right there.
You gonna text me back if I text you?
I'll think about it.
Alright. Oh, got it. Hey.
Hi.
You don't got no boyfriend.
How are you? No, I don't.
Okay.
I don't.
You're doing great, actually.
Oh,
Just got
okay.
off
Where you
work.
from? Washington State.
That's way up above Cali, right?
Yeah, that's way up. Yep.
Shit. You know, I be out of Cali and shit sometimes. You know, LA, so.
Yeah, me in the middle type.
That ain't too far. What's your name?
Oxar.
Rockstar?
Yeah.
Like your real name?
Oxar.
Oh, Oxstar, like O-C-K? Oh, yeah, O-C-K.
No. Yeah, something like that.
From where?
I'm from East Africa. Zanzibar.
You was born there, or you just like?
No, but I was like heavily raised in my culture. Feel me?
Yeah. Let me get your Instagram.
Yeah. Oh, let me give you it, actually.
I bet.
Hello.
Hey.
How old are you? Huh?
17.
You what?
17. How old are you?
18.
I like your aesthetic that you got like going on type shit.
Thank you. I'm bored, so I just learned how to do my eyebrows. Ain't they so tea? They so tea.
The slit, John, we twinning.
Yeah, I'm about to make another one. This one I actually could. This one I'm about to slit it with some makeup.
You finna do it right now? Kaya, that's you?
That's Kaya.
Let me
Yeah, that's
see.
me.
Let me see.
That's
Let me see.
her.
How bad
That's
is
her.
this
I'm looking rough right now,
camera?
bro.
You always looking good.
That shit always look good. Don't play with my ass.
How old you is?
22.
22.
Oh
You
shit.
fuck with a young nigga? I'm 18.
Oh no. I can't do it. I can't even do it. Are you streaming?
I got a real life job. I'm in the workforce. I work. I'm an electrician.
What's your shirt say?
You said what?
What's your shirt say?
Touch me, I'm sick.
Oh shit.
Nakaya
touch him.
You can touch me everywhere. Hey,
Yo, can you
Tati.
rate us?
Huh?
Can you rate us?
I like Tati. Is that you?
It's her.
Yeah. You broke my skill. How old are you?
Thanks. I'm 19.
You can get your Instagram or something.
Yeah, you can follow my Instagram.
You gonna follow me back?
Yeah, of course.
Trying to make it seem like I'm
Why you didn't answer?
Where you from?
No, Taki
York.
called you and he didn't answer
New York.
off my phone.
Alright, bet. Trinity.
I like your wall.
Thank you. I made it myself.
No, you didn't
Yes,
know.
I did. I'm an artist. You want to see my art?
No.
Alright.
Yeah, I want to see your art.
You gotta come to LA. Show you all the art.
You can't keep getting away with this!
When
So
I'm
you
out
gonna
there.
you gonna come down here when it stops?
Yeah.
Alright. Add me. Send me on Instagram.
I'm in the bed.
Where you from? New York?
Mhm.
Me too.
Where you at?
Uptown.
I'm not over there.
Damn.
You faded.
Follow me on Instagram real quick. I'm gonna come pick you up.
Type it.
I'm gonna come pick you up.
If you pick me up, I'm gonna bring a knife so you won't kidnap me. Oh, remember
bring a
you? No, I said.
A knife? What's
Yeah.
a knife gonna do against me?
Wait, cause what if you try to kidnap me?
Nah, I ain't gonna, we gonna go out to eat.
I'm not playing with you.
We gonna go out
You
to
better
eat.
watch this.
Alright. Go ahead, follow me. I'm gonna text you.
Okay. All right, yeah, come right now, cause I. It's not. Let me take a picture.
Alright, bet.
Okay.
I'm fuck with you, TC.
Up in that stick and I'm finding that shit. Bitch ass boy, you a